Takisawa 3-axis machine center, CNC mill. 24 tools. However, I believe on this one you have one or two tool pockets that are disabled.
Okay.
Other than that, all of the rest of them are working.
Maximum RPM on this?
Oh, I wouldn't need it. You'd have to check the book. I run 6,000 on my engraver, so I know it does 6,000. So I just have a simple program in here. It's just going to come in. Not all the tools are in there, but it will just show the movements. Okay.
How long have you owned this one, Hugh?
Looks like here probably 10 years.
And you bought it secondhand?
Yeah, I bought it from Lynn Benton.
You're the second owner? You bought it from Lynn Benton, who bought it new?
I don't know.
Okay.
Right here, we'll be coming down and decking the tool, decking the part.
Okay.
There would normally be a tool in there. The other ones have tools in them.
That's fine. Taper, 40, 50?
This is a V240.
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 I noticed you have a chuck mounted to the table.
Just tooling.
Okay, so you don't use it for any kind of special fourth axis or anything like that?
It was just in there as a placeholder so that I could engrave something.
Okay, so it's a 3-axis machine. Turn this into the check page and show you your absolute distance to go, feed rate, active G codes, height offset call, speed call, tool call. So it's running at 1500 RPM right now?
It was, yeah. So now we've got tool 5 with a height offset 5 running at 1500 in the M3 with these G codes active.
You know what the travels are on this?
Ooh, right.
The travel?
Check the book. I'm thinking 21 or 22 by 12 maybe.
By
Yeah.
19 or 20 in Z?
Well, yeah, 12.
Yeah, and in Z is probably 19
Z.
or 20?
Yeah, you could probably get a decent tool in there. Maybe 12, 18, I don't know.
And the size of the table, do you know? Okay.
I don't. I just run out.
Okay. And I would like to get just a quick shot of the tool carousel. The tool carousel is right around the back here.
It's an enclosed carousel. Through here, you might be able to see through here. I have it set to run.
Oh yeah.
I have it set to run in a continuous loop, so you'll.
Oh, yeah. I can see some tools in there. Yeah.
But you'll see the tool changes out here.
Well, that's good.